Lesson 12, expected learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to read the passage and answer the following question. Activity 1, Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4, Activity 5, Activity 6. Wardrobe. Activity 7. Activity 8. Suppose in your dream you visited another planet. Discuss with your classmate and write 5 sentences about the visit. Write 6 sentences about your aim in life. Activity 9. Let's reminder. Activity 10. Activity 11. Self-check. Let's read. Activity 12. Activity 13. Activity 14. Activity 15. Activity 16. Activity 17.